demand is high and each negotiation is unique. We must take into account the science as well as the doses, price, manufacturing, and finishing parameters of each vaccine.
This means Canada now has access to 4 potential vaccines, having signed contracts with Pfizer and Moderna earlier this month. An estimated 88 million doses available next year from whichever products cross the finish line.
That's why the Government of Canada has moved forward on signing agreements with a broad range of vaccine developers, of researchers around the world, so that regardless of who ends up developing the vaccine first, Canadians will have the opportunity to benefit from that vaccine.
Vaccine nanoparticles, specially designed with only the key components of target pathogens.
Each vaccine uses slightly different technology to produce an immune response against the coronavirus. All remain very experimental. Canadian health officials say they'll need to review their safety and effectiveness. And when a vaccine is given the green light, Ottawa has funded this lab in Montreal, toured by the Prime Minister, to make up to 2 million doses per month, ensuring there'll be enough vaccine for those at high risk.
Our healthcare workers are right at the top of the list. Our safety and security personnel, police, firemen, and so on should be right up there at the top of the list. And our senior people in residences might be up there at the top. So you have some priorities for who begins to get the early supplies.
And expect more vaccine announcements in the coming weeks, with public health officials clearly saying they'll be made available to Canadians who want to be inoculated, a sign these vaccines won't be mandatory. Ava Stavros, CTV News, Toronto.
On the website.